finally here, boys. We got it, the harness bar. Hey, girl. Are you supervising? So I'm not too sure how to put this on. It's actually my first time trying. I just gotta figure out how to put everything in place so then after I go and take it to the car and start the video. Oh, focus. There you go. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Okay, so from all the hardware I got that they provided us with the harness bar in the package for my specific vehicle, which is a 1999 Ford Mustang. I only need the two bigger black bolts, the longer ones, and the two bigger bolts, the nuts, and the washers, and that will be all. Of course, this is all going to go with the harness bar and the support bars. I believe that's the name. Along with the, I don't know, this triangle thing. Okay, so the tools you need is a ratchet, a T50 Torx bit socket, a 5/8 millimeter socket, 18 millimeter socket, adjustable wrench, an extension bit, optional, of course, just in case, and a 3/4 or a 19 millimeter ratchet. You could also do the adjustable one, or you could get a 16 millimeter. I think it's for this bolt, but since I didn't find it, I chose the adjustable one, which it would be better also to hold down adjust. Okay, the nuts. My card is filthy. The nuts that holds the screws along with the washers. Okay, so of course, first things first, you put the, I don't know this thing, the triangle thing, and you go ahead and get the black bolt, put it through there. Then you grab the 5/8 or 16 millimeter socket and you start making it tight. Not too tight, of course, because you gotta adjust it when it gets there. Okay, so then you want to hop onto the back of your cart, of course. I forgot to mention you also need a flathead screwdriver, which is to pull this plastics out and expose the screws that are holding the stock seat belt. Same thing with the other side. Okay, so like I said, it's a 50 Torx bit. So once it's out, you wanna grab the side that corresponds to the side you took out. Obviously, put the ball in your lap. Just messing up the plastic, and you wanna put it there. But of course, right now, as you can see, I got no space to put it because the back of my cart is very small. I'm 6'2" and I could barely fit here. So it's gonna be a terrible shot and uncomfortable to do it with. Okay, so as you can see, I kinda got it in. Not too tight because I still gotta put the other side. The reason why I'm leaving the stock seat belts is because if somebody big gets in and they don't fit with the aftermarket seat belts, they got the other option of going with the stock seat belts. Plus in the morning when I go to work, I don't want to waste time trying to put on the aftermarket seat belts, and I just put the stock one. Or if a police officer stops you, I don't know if this is illegal on my state, I got the stock seat belt. So as you guys can see, I already got it in, not too tight. Well, I put the support bar or whatever the name is. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the seatbelts first so they could be even from both sides. That I gotta take out the real back seat. There's 2 clips in this center side. So I already adjusted this one. I'm gonna give it a little bit extra length. That way when I adjust the bar, plus if it goes forward, it'll be better. So I already finished adjusting everything and putting the harness bar. Now we gotta go with the support bars or whatever the name is, I don't know. So this is also a T50 Torx bit. What you wanna do is go ahead, take it out. So when you come to this, you will see that one of them, it's bigger than the other one. The bigger one goes in the bottom. And to adjust it, you know, you could take it out And I'm counting how many rings it has, so I'm gonna do it up to 5, and then I'm gonna adjust it with the nut. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to where my nail is. I'm gonna leave it hand tight. Now what you wanna do is make sure your seatbelt is not twisted. I'm gonna run it with the stock bolts. Hopefully it works. Forgot to mention, when you take out the bolts, it's supposed to have that little washer and this spacer. I'm gonna take it out so I could fit the aftermarket seat belt and the support bar. So taking it out, everything is in there so I could run the harness and the support bar. Okay, so as you can see, we only got this little bit of thread. So I'm gonna run into Home Depot and get a bolt of the same diameter but longer. So I bought some 3/8 screws. They don't fit at all. It's just like too small. When I tested them, it was same diameter as this one. I don't know, but it is what it is. I guess I will have to go and get a drill so I can make this bigger. They had the other screw that was closest to this one. It was a 7/16. They didn't have it, so that's why I went with the 3/8. Like I said, I'm gonna go home or get a drill so I could drill the metal from here bigger so it could fit, since the problem is it doesn't go through, along with the support bar, the little bowl thing. I might have to drill it or sand this down a little bit, not too sure. If anything, I would just leave it with the harness bar and without the support bars until I order some screws online and get it popping, you know. So I'll be back. Okay, so I decided that I will leave just the harness bar without the support bars, since later I will be busy. So I just gotta adjust the screws from over here. Probably I will put the support bars as well in this side just for looks, and leave them hanging right around there. Like I said, just for looks. I really don't care because I don't bring people into my car, and I don't really have passengers, so it doesn't really matter to me. Of course, safety, but like I said, I will have the stock seat belt, and it's pretty tight, and it's not actually tight at all since I left some screws loose, but it's pretty firm. So I feel safe, although I don't go past 60 miles an hour and I don't be racing, so yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna put it on just for looks and then show you guys the end result. Bruh. Alright, so as you guys can see, I already finished it. I pulled it from the belt and it's pretty firm. I love the way it looks. It looks like more faster, you know, more aggressive, which it really doesn't, but for me, it does. I feel like I'm in a NASCAR car. But thank you all for watching. Let me know down in the comments below what else you want to see. Like I said in my previous videos, the plan for now is to make the car look good, so then we could add power or add another engine for power. I keep thinking about it. I'm not too sure what I would do with this car. Probably just for fun or to motivate people with V6 to do whatever they want in the car, not to care about what other people say. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.